What's up guys, Coca-Cola here, and this is Vernee M6 smartphone. This Chinese company that brings the brand Vernee was founded in 2016. This is the company motto. Holding Vernee cell phone in hand, you'll be surprised at not only its high quality hardware, software, but also ongoing great after sale service. This is the official trailer and they promise very good quality at small prices. This phone costs about $160, which is nice, and I will definitely buy it and come with a complete review. Till then, you can watch this official trailer.
Which is super light and only 6.9mm thickness. 5.7-inch all-screen, break through the boundary of the screen and the true world. 18:9 display scales has improved 12.5% display area. You can see your enemies before they do. Only 6.9mm phone body and 150-gram weight defines light and slim once more. It's an art and feels like it. Dual 2.5D curved design and metal phone body deliver a smooth and warm feeling, just like holding a jade. Equipped with octa-core 64-bit processor and 4GB RAM, operate large games or apps smoothly. You can enjoy large games with your friends. No more stuck, only happiness. The 3300 mAh big battery with VOS power saving mode can provide M6 13 hours video playing and 10 days standby. It's an ideal playmate and workmate, always at hand, always online. The camera is even a highlight. The 13-megapixel front camera with beauty effect makes your selfie prettier and more natural. Enjoy the latest VOS system based on Android 7.0. It has more intelligent storage management system and delivers a more humanized using experience. This is Vernee M6. All screen, light and slim, beyond the imagination.